Model 2020 Ford Transit 350 Trend Ecoblue needs turbo VAT including bargain. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 82,370. Engine, 1,996 cc 2.0 Ecoblue 130 PS. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. The engine starts and sounds brilliant. This is a straightforward turbo replacement job. Someone will get a bargain. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, full service history, 2 keys, electric windows, parking sensors, cruise control. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £10,995 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074